I would just like to say that I appreciate him for who he is, for the support, for being strong for us, you know, for being a partner, for the love. He's such a loving person, honestly, and I appreciate the love and the support. Like, support is number one. But overall it was fun, yeah, and stressful actually, and hectic.
What was that one moment that was so hectic about all the preparations?
The moment when we had to go to so many bridal shops to find that one perfect dress that I would love.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.